Global ROM versus China ROM. I know it's been circling inside your head kung bakit mas mura itong si China ROM over sa global ROM. It's the same phone, same specs, same everything, pero definitely mas mura ang China ROM na phone. And ako, I have some of this data na nag-gather ko to prove kung bakit mas mura ang China ROM. Pag-usapan natin. So hi guys, ako pa si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. Now, I know na ang dami niyong tanong about this si China ROM versus global ROM. Si China ROM is always cheaper than the global ROM. Let's just say for example, si OnePlus 10T and si OnePlus Ace Pro. It's the same banana but it's a lot cheaper sa Ace Pro. Magtataka ka bakit? 12,256 on both phones. Si Ace Pro, it will be priced at around 27,000 pesos. Si OnePlus 10T, it will be priced at around 36,000 pesos. That's roughly 9K difference off the bat. Same banana, same specs, same processor, same screen, same camera, everything's the same. Except the name. Well, China ROM nga lang yung isa. Pero mabilis naman lagyan ng Google Play. Alam naman natin, the main difference nila is walang Google Play Store kasi bawal sa China. It's banned in China to use Google. Facebook, Google, YouTube, bawal na sa China. So, hindi nila nilagay. But, mabilis na naman installin kasi parang APK lang siya, install mo lang, pagdating dito, then you're done. Okay na siya. But why is it cheaper? Now, let's just say for example, si Xiaomi 12 Pro. Both sa China and sa global, pareho silang specs, parehong camera, parehong packaging, everything's the same. Sa local, sa 12,256, it's being priced at around 37,999. So, let's just say 38,000 pesos. Sa China, it's around 5,300 RMB, which translates to around 43,000 pesos. It's still a 5,000 pesos savings. Have you ever wondered kung bakit sa likod ng mga China phones ang linis? I always love it. Wala mga nakaprint except yung Xiaomi logo. Sa global, hindi. Mapapansin mo to. Makita mo guys ito. Makita nyo meron siya CE mark and merong isang basurahan na naka-X. Now, these are what we call yung mga certification. Different brands has different certification. Different countries has different certification. May UL, FCC, CE, ang dami. Iba-ibang klase yan, guys. Sobrang dami yan. And what this company does, let's say Xiaomi, I have to pay para makuha ko certification na to. Let's say CE, tsaka tong basura na naka-X. Yung basura na naka-X, it's a waste electrical and electronic equipment, meaning hindi mo na pwede ito itapon sa basurahan once hindi na gagamit itong smartphone dahil hazardous ang mga components nitong phone na ito. It should be recycled. And in order to get this certification, kailangan ng brand to undergo those testings before siya mabigyan ng certificate. And of course, it entails a lot of extra money just to be able to get this certificate. Naturally, papasa na sa consumer like us. So, sa China ROM, there's no such mga certification. So, a lot of savings. Then, of course, if you import it over here sa atin, there's, electronic stacks din dito na I don't think it's anywhere cheap. If tama ang naalala ko, what I heard from some other people before, it's around 37%. Correct me if I'm wrong. Maybe if you know the correct exact figure, let me know on the comment section. But as far as I can recall, it's around 37%. So if you sum this up, yung mga certification na binabayad nila, yung mga electronic stacks na binabayad nila, and yung mga custom tax na binabayad nila, everything, lahat yan, isasama nila, ipapackage nila dito sa phone nito, which makes it a lot more expensive as compared sa bumili ka sa China. Well, it's the same banana. But in this video, I'm not really promoting to ask you to buy a China ROM phone. Of course, it's best to buy the global one and you also have the warranty na local. But if you're asking me about yung price difference nila kung bakit sobrang layo, this is simple my answer. Kasi I've been getting questions like this one, kung bakit si Ace Pro mas mura kaysa kay 10T, sa China ROM na 12 Pro is cheaper than the 12 Pro dito sa atin. This is basically what I know as far as I have done my research dito sa topic na ito. So I hope na na-enlighten kayo dito other than si China ROM walang Google Play Store and si Global ROM may Google Play Store. These all other components na pinataw sa atin will be shouldered by the consumers. Kaya medyo mas mahal nga talaga siya pagdating sa kamay mo. So guys, if you find this video helpful, do share sa inyong mga kaibigan, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?